4 kg block extends the spring by 16 centimeters. The block is removed and the 0.5 kg mass is attached. Find the time period of oscillation. So first of all, let's assume that this is a vertical spring like this. So the idea is if this is the block attached to it, it extends the spring by this distance first of all. So we can say force is equals to kx. Then we know that force in the y-axis is equals to mg. It's now weight force. This is equals to kx. So what we want to find is the value of k. So k is equals to mg divided by x, the displacement. So k is, the mass in this case is 4. That's for the first part. 9.81 divided by x, the displacement. So we're given 16 centimeters. If we divide that by 100, that is 0.16. So 4 times 9.81 divided by 0.16 gives us the k value as 245.25 newtons per meter. So now we can use the other mass to find the period. Now that we have the spring constant, we can say period is equals to 2 pi m over k. So period is equals to 2 pi, as it is, the square root of the mass, which is 0.5, divided by the spring constant, which is 245.25. Like that. So let's see what we get as a period. Times 2 pi. So I'm getting 0.28. So period is 0.28 seconds. So there we have it.